Ready to build your Bitcoin empire? Here's how to get started. First, choose your business model. Will you run a Bitcoin exchange, offer a secure wallet, or maybe process Bitcoin payments? The choice is yours. Understand the regulatory landscape. Register your business, get the necessary licenses, and comply with AML and KYC rules. Build a strong team. You'll need developers, finance experts, and legal counsel. Secure funding. Consider self-funding, crowdfunding, or venture capital. Develop robust technology. Your platform should be secure, reliable, and efficient. Market your business. Identify your target audience and use digital marketing to reach them. Stay updated on regulations and educate your customers. Provide resources about Bitcoin basics and security tips. Finally, offer excellent customer support. Be responsive and clear in your communication. Starting a Bitcoin-based business is exciting, but it requires careful planning and research.